This is the Kunzman base edge file guide. It actually comes in packs of 3 with different base edge angles. This is designed for doing more precise base edge angle tuning. If you're using this, you would need to use it in conjunction with a chrome base file. Okay, so doing the base edge, we're going to use a 1 degree file guide. We're going to use a Toco chrome file. Let's put them together. Slide the file into the guide, underneath the little rubber band. Push the file in. The rubber band just holds it nice and solid. Okay, the part of the file guide that runs on the base is the thinner side, and then the thick side hangs over the edge, leaving the file in contact with the base edge of the metal. Okay, like so. Thin edge on the ski, file hangs over, file at about 45 degrees to the edge, and then just run, applying downward pressure on the file, and the file will cut the edge to a 1 degree bevel. Always make sure that the file guide runs flat and smoothly along the base of the ski. To do the opposite edge, turn the file round, exactly the same thing. Pressure down on over the edges with your thumb, and just run the file up and down the edge. Always working from tip to tail. The file will only cut in one direction, forwards.